Are you constantly misplacing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the Apple AirTag. This tiny, mighty Bluetooth tracker is designed to help you effortlessly locate your most important belongings. What truly sets AirTag apart is Apple's incredible precision finding, utilizing Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your item's exact location with visual, haptic, and audio feedback. Setup is an absolute breeze. Just one tap with your iPhone, and your AirTag is paired and ready to go in seconds. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, you don't have to worry about a little splash or dirt ruining your day. It's built to withstand real-life adventures. The AirTag leverages the enormous Apple Find My network, meaning millions of Apple devices worldwide help pinpoint your lost item's general location, even if it's far away. For anyone serious about never losing their valuables again, the AirTag is, without a doubt, the best electronics accessory you can get in 2025. Thinking of grabbing one for yourself or as a gift? Find the latest AirTag 4-pack deals and more details by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. This isn't just a tracker. It's peace of mind in a compact, elegant design that seamlessly integrates into your life. Seriously, if you want to stop losing your stuff and upgrade your tracking game, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have.